Let's follow this tractor and dump trailer up the hill and we'll do a quick demo of the premium easy mount manual hand crank truck and trailer tarp roller kit. So this is what you would want for your truck bed or dump trailer if you are tired of using ratchet straps or bungee cords to try to secure down a tarp over your load as you're going down the road. This product has a heavy-duty locking lever and powder-coated steel mounting brackets with an aircraft-grade aluminum roller axle that telescopes to the exact bed width that you will need. It adjusts from 60 inches out to 104 inches. All mounting hardware and the rope storing J-hooks are included. The steel mounting brackets have a heavy-duty locking lever which keeps the tarp from unrolling, and the crank handle folds in to protect the handle from damage while you're driving. You'll mount to the dump bed with included bolts, or you would weld it in place. Front and rear rope storing J-hooks are standard with this roller kit. The included tarp is black mesh fabric, UV-treated, PVC-coated polyester fibers. It has rust-proof brass grommets, and the hems are reinforced with 2-inch webbing that's double-stitched. The premium Easy Mount Tarp Roller Kit installs pretty easily. The tarp roller has a slot to slide hex head bolts into for attaching the tarp without having to remove the roller. What that means is no drilling required. The crank handle cannot fall off with the way it's built, and this tarp roller kit includes a mesh tarp. It has a retention bow that's sold separately, but all items are shrink wrapped to prevent damage in shipping, so it should make it to your place just fine. To make sure you're getting the right size tarp, on width you would measure the width of the trailer or the dump body, and then subtract 4 to 6 inches to make sure that the tarp edges don't bind up when you roll it up. For length, you would measure it from front to back, and then you want to add at least 2 feet to make sure that you have enough room to cover whatever load you're hauling. If you plan to haul particularly tall items, you want to take into account the height of those items and add on that much length to the product that you order. All in all, this product is a pretty great option to ensure that you can transport whatever you're hauling safely and effectively. And as you can see, ours gets used all the time. We would highly recommend.